English legal shorthand 100 words per minute. Ready? Start. Undisputedly, petitioner has put to execution award passed against respondent number 1 for recovery of dues under award. Stop. The dues are pertaining to advances made by petitioner to respondent number 1. Stop. While execution of award was in progress against respondent number 1, Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank, that is secured creditor, possessed assets of respondent number 1 and auctioned the same under provisions of Sarfasai Act. Stop. The tender notice for sale shows that bids were invited for sale of properties of respondent number 1 as per description mentioned therein. Stop. The note in auction notice reads thus: para. The bank intends to sell the assets detailed above as is where is, as is what is, and whatever there is which is without any warranty, guarantee without any recourse, assurance and undertaking or representation of any kind whatsoever, the aid does not take or assume any responsibility for any shortfall of the movable/immovable assets for procuring any permissions in or to any dues, statutory or otherwise, viz. Provident Fund, sales tax, central excise workers' dues, property, electricity charges, water charges, etc. of any authority established by law. Stop. Such dues, any both existing or and future, stop, to the property will have to be paid by the purchaser. Stop. The encumbrances marked in 712 extracts so need to be paid by the purchaser whatever is application as per law. Para. The respondent number 2 being successful bidder, received possession of assets. Stop. The sale certificate depicts that purchaser has accepted all encumbrances presently on property, which may arise in future and agreed to pay the same as per tender condition accepted by him. Stop. The sale certificate incorporates list of encumbrances/dues, which include electricity, sales tax, professional tax, provident fund, workers' salary, sugar cane purchaser tax, and other liability not qualified as on the date of valuation of assets. Stop. Undisputedly, operation of sugarcane factory was closed much prior to date of auction, and what was auctioned was assets of respondent number 1. Stop. Pertinently, registration of respondent number 1 is still in existence. Para. Undisputedly, petitioner is not secured creditor, or there was no charge of dues of petitioner on assets of respondent number 1. Stop. The Supreme Court in case of Shreyas Papers Private Limited and others (Supra), while dealing with provision under section 15(1) of Karnataka Sales Tax Act 1957, observed in paragraph number 15 as under. Para. A careful reading of section 15 bracket 1 of the KST Act shows that the consequences contemplated therein, namely foisting of the liabilities of the defaulting transferor on to the transferee,